So here's our problem that we've had. See this grit? Can you see that gritty stuff that's in here? This is what was in our fuel, and it's all still in here.
Yeah, this is always fun at 3 o'clock in the morning.
But yeah, when I'm doing this, I'm usually down here, and we're going up and down.
You're really down there.
I mean, we can't go anywhere tomorrow unless I get this done.
That's true.
All right, try and start it.
Last time on Sailing Music and Lyrics.
In the middle of the cut, waves crested 8 feet, pushing us to port, directly toward the North Rock Wall. The ship was very real at this point. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Relax. Okay. I need you to relax. Relax! I need you to relax!
Don't you dare talk to me like that! Our videos are not just for us to look back on later, they're for you. And if you enjoy them and want to see more, join the band on Patreon.
This is the entrance to Emerald Bay. Just tons and tons of water here. Tons of water. This is the channel to actually go in. It's very narrow. And it's right now it's really, really, really choppy. So I'm out here on the point of Emerald Bay. You can see the windsock behind me. It's really turning up here. You can see it's coming up right here. All over. This whole part of the point's getting wet. Splashing up onto here. When I get back home, I'm gonna have to clean the camera lens. Or back home, back to the boat. But it is insane out here. Big rollers in the channel. It's a very narrow. You can see right here, it's a very, very narrow channel. I'm glad we got in here when we did. But look at this, if you can see it. Craziness out here. I'm glad we got into this protected area. At least it's getting scared because I'm standing on the edge of the pier here.
Okay, this is in our calm anchorage. You can just see the water from the trees and just we are definitely getting some surge here. Every boat, really crazy to see these things. Every boat is just rocking and rolling.
Good?
Thank you.
See you guys.
Bon voyage. See you in the harbor.
See you later.
See you in the harbor.
How are we on the bow? We good?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Thank you, Shane.
I said no problem.
deserved a good one like that.
Yeah, look. 2 sailboats, 3 sailboats, no sailboat. Hey!
Hey! So we made it to Georgetown?
We did. We are finally here.
And we're gonna go for a swim before we meet up with some friends, maybe.
Oh, I think it's beer 30. We didn't have one. Damn, and we didn't hug. We normally have, well, it wasn't a crazy sail either. All right, let's stand up and jump in. Landing. 1, 2, 3.
Right under the boat. Look, right here. See him?
Yeah. Oh, you felt like someone was watching you?
I just had a feeling something was coming, so I'm looking around the entire time. I'm looking around, I'm like, man, I've got this feeling.
Can I get your beer?
Yeah, I would love a beer.
Well, we found this gem this morning here on Great Exuma. We are on Stocking Island and just took a very short dinghy ride to get to this little path up a cliff and onto the biggest, most beautiful beach I think that we've seen since we've been here. Great crashing waves. I just asked Eric, how many shades of blue can you count? The artist in me wants to paint this.
The water is so nice.
He said the water is so nice, so clean, so clear. It's beautiful.
It's not warm,
No, well,
but it's not cold. It's like perfect. Really nice.
yeah, we've had weather. We had squall day before yesterday. Gray skies up until this morning. We've got another front that's coming in tomorrow night. And then, from what we hear from the infamous Chris Parker, is that we are going to have, up until mid-February, wonderful Bahama weather brought on by the trades. Bring it on!
Yeah.
This is a beautiful day. It's just such a shame I have to work. Like sands through the hourglass, so are the days of our lives.